Rio has another slate of test trials that will be underway in April, and they are for weightlifting, gymnastics, swimming, paraswimming, track and field, shooting, handball, gymnastics, fencing, and water polo. In hockey news, the USA women's hockey team is undefeated in the IIHF Women's Hockey World Championship, having beaten both Canada with a 3-1 and Finland with a 2-1 yesterday. They have beaten Finland twice. They play against Russia tomorrow. Steve Gordat, a Swedish equestrian athlete, is going to attempt his second gold medal in Rio on the same horse he won a medal in 2012 London Olympics. The horse's name is Nina. So far, his rise to this event has been met with a little controversy, with banned substance being found in Nina, which has later been cleared by the Equestrian Federation, and having to go toe-to-toe against two of his rivals, which are Marcus Allman and Christian E. Henning. An athlete to be watching for when we reach the Rio Olympics is Vishanti Cunningham, who, of this month, is the youngest athlete to win a gold medal in the IAAF Indoor World Championship in any event. She was the only one to clear 6 feet 5 inches without a scratch. She even beat Ruth Biesha of Spain, who is twice her age. She gets her talents from her mom, who was a former ballet dancer, and her father, who coaches her. His name is Randall Cunningham. He is a passer and former quarterback for the Eagles, and was a high school high jumper. She has forgone high school and college career and has taken the Nike plunge as a professional athlete. Now on to football. I spent last night watching both the USA versus Guatemala and the USA under 30 versus Colombia for both the World Cup and Olympic qualifier. USA men's national team beat Colombia 4-0, and my favorite goal was Clint Dempsey's. That was really exciting. Then we moved on to the Olympic qualifier, and that game was a nightmare. USA got 2 red cards. It was kind of funny watching our only goal being because of a mistake.